Hey, what's up, yo? What's up, everybody? I just got to the toy section, and shoot, looks like it's gonna be another bust. This is the same one where I missed out on the supers for the Easter beans. Man, they haven't restocked in a while, other than the silhouettes that my bro said he saw, but he saw the guy taking them. Yeah, nothing here. Shoot, man, just a bunch of the same Matchbox, same everything. Oh, look here, man. There's some. I know there's like a truck, the Silverado one, but yeah, I never seen it other than the newest one. Oh, look, there's the step side. That one is cool. And the Cheyenne, but nah, not really my thing. Panete, Felipe. Oh man. Other than that, just some spam M2s. Yeah, the Ford. Yeah, and another M2. Oh, snaps. Felipe, ven para acá, please. Look here, guys. I think this is the Chase. Right there is, I don't know if you can see it, but look, limited edition, 750 pieces. ¿Ves, chamaco? Mira. Damn, this thing has a... Oh, this car comes inside. So, oh man. I think this is the Chase, because it is at 750 pieces. And there's a car inside for $18. Man, that's something to think about, no? Man, I think I am gonna take it. I don't have a single Chase for the M2s. And I've seen a couple of M2s, but they're always like the small ones. So I have seen videos about the small ones being the Chase, and they do have this type of wheels, like shiny wheels. But the difference is that they say here like limited amount, but this one right here has it limited edition, but it does say 96th. But it does have the sticker, and it has the shiny wheels. So I'm gonna guess this is a Chase. And I'm definitely, I think I am gonna take it, man. I'm not even sure, but I'll look at my budget right now. And I guess yeah, man, I have to take it now. This is like a super, but in the M2 version. But yeah. I thought it was gonna be a bust. I didn't see anything, nothing, not even the, what you call those things, mystery models, man. But shoot, look here, man. Oh yeah, I am gonna take it. It's $20, YOLO, you know what I'm saying? Nice. Anyways, I thought this was gonna be a bust. I know I made the video kind of boring, but shoot, man, I just didn't know how it was gonna turn out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Happy huntings. Yeah. So I just got to the Walmart. I was doing some digging. And look here, man. I think this is the K-Day exclusive. I might be wrong, but I seen a few of the exclusives. But I don't know. Maybe I am wrong. There's that one and that one. And like I said, I did some digging because this is the one I saw first. The Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. And I remember it being, I thought it was a zamac, but it is not. So I was like, I know I have seen it, and it looks like a K-Day exclusive. Look here. So I only pulled these ones so far. I don't know. I found them, or I seen them on this bin, and I'm gonna see how many or what all is here. And like I said, maybe I am wrong. I don't know exactly, but I'm gonna put those to the side real quick. And there is a lot. I don't think these are actually K-Day exclusive. The only way for me to know for sure is if I find the black 510 Datsun. Then I'm gonna be 100% sure. In the meantime, well, I'm just gonna do some digging real quick, cause I don't know exactly for sure, like I said, if these are K-Day exclusives or not. And I should look it up online. Actually, I am gonna look it up online. Alright, back at it again. So yeah, I went through a website, and then yeah, they're saying that these are the Kmart, but I did not find the what you call it, the Datsun 510. And I could not believe it. I still can't believe it, because this is a Walmart, but then this is Arizona, and we do not have Kmart's anymore here. I'm not gonna take all this, by the way. Especially, I don't like Mustangs. I don't really like Camaros. I like trucks, that's for sure. So yeah, if anything, well, let's see how many there are. Shoot, man. Yeah, well, whoever did take some took all the Datsun 510, the black ones. But this is all the K-Day exclusives here at Walmart. This is a Walmart. But yeah, man, a fellow collector over there. Probably gonna do, since these are exclusive, I'm gonna do 4 of these, and probably 4 of these, and just I don't know, maybe I'm not into this, just 2. Yeah, that sounds about right. Alright, man, that's it, guys. That's all I have for today. And keep hunting, alright? Have a good one.